Hello, today we will guide you through how to mute audio and video in Zoom Meeting. To get started, open the Zoom app on your device. This is the first step before you can manage any meeting controls. Once Zoom is open, make sure the application is fully loaded so you can clearly see the home screen and available meeting options. If Zoom takes a moment to launch, just wait until everything is visible and responsive before moving on. Next, open a sample meeting. This can be any meeting you want to use for practice or participation. The goal here is simply to get into the Zoom meeting interface because the mute and video controls are only available once you are inside a meeting. After the meeting opens, take a moment to look at the toolbar, which is usually located along the bottom of the Zoom window. This is where the main controls for audio and video are found. Now look to the bottom left corner and click on the microphone icon. This control manages your audio. When you click it, your microphone will be muted, which means other participants in the meeting will no longer be able to hear you. This is especially useful if you are in a noisy environment, if someone else is speaking, or if you simply want to avoid background sounds during the meeting. In Zoom, the microphone icon will usually change visually to indicate that your audio is now muted, so it is a good idea to glance at the icon and confirm the change. After muting your audio, click on the video icon. This button controls whether your camera is on or off. Clicking it will turn off your video, which means other people in the meeting will no longer see your camera feed. This can be helpful if you need privacy, want to reduce distractions, or are dealing with a slow internet connection. Just like the microphone button, the video icon will typically update to show that your camera has been turned off. Once both actions are complete, your audio and video will be muted in the meeting. If you ever want to turn either one back on, you can return to the same icons and click them again. It is always a good habit to double-check these controls before speaking or appearing on camera, especially in professional or group meetings. That's it. You now know how to mute your audio and video in a Zoom meeting.